It took me years to realize I was hanging clothes all wrong at home. 1. Hanging sweaters can damage the shape around the shoulders. Place the hanger in the middle of the sweater and thread each sleeve through it. This way, your sweater will never lose its shape. 2. Long coats are prone to wrinkles. Align the two sides and fold them inward. Thread the bottom of the coat through the hanger, fold it upward twice, and then hang it on the hanger. This saves space. 3. Fold the sweater in half and place the hanger at the armpit level. Flip the sleeves and the bottom hem over the hanger. 4. Thread the bottom hem of the sweater through the hanger, then drape both sleeves over the top and lift. 5. Hanging pants like this can cause them to deform and puff up. This way, they easily slip off. First, fold the pants in half and thread both legs through the hanger. Then, thread the hanger's hook through the belt loop. This keeps the pants hanging neatly and aesthetically. Follow me for more handy tips.